Colorado National Speedway, Salted Metals 150. The field picks up the speed and we go green. Michael Scott side by side with Rocha. 98 on the outside. It looks like Scott's going to have the lead on lap number 1. Ravs to the inside for second. We have a battle here out of turn number 2.
Yeah, for 15th. That's Brian Yackey to the inside of the 33 of Kel Kanke. Kanke's going to lose that spot.
Brian Yackey, the younger son of the driver up ahead, Bruce Yackey.
The Moose. Shadow of the number 82. He's going to dip it low out of turn number 4. Peek into the inside, giving Michael Scott something to think about. In fact, he's going to make the move here into turn number 2. Cole Raz to the inside, the battle for the lead. It's going to go to Raz. Rocha wants to follow through in his number 98.
Cole Raz had a steep battle here, led some laps, but he had to hold off Jace Hansen, which he was unable to do in last year's 150 lapper. I think he's going to have a little bit of a chip on his shoulder. He wants this win here tonight.
And Robertson.
Here we go through turn 3 and 4. Shepard's going to get Robertson.
And it's starting to smoke more and more, so I'm thinking whatever fluid he lost, he wasn't supposed to lose.
Yeah, that sounds important. The yellow is out.
Yeah, we got a spin over in turn number 3.
That's 8:16 around.
Lap 31 restart.
Well, not the best restart for Michael Scott, but he didn't lose too much other than time to Raz. Now he's fighting off the 98 of Rocha.
Battle for third. The 98 of Rocha, the 29 of Zampa. Just behind them, Buddy Shepard in the number 22. And Bumper.
Oh yeah, we're train. They've got crazy train racing here, and now we've got him in the Southwest Tour.
How about this move by Sutton into turn number 1? Dives it on the inside of Rocha. He's going to try to go 2 for 1 on this move.
It's going to work, Jeffrey. He put his nose to the inside at the right time, and as these two were making contact, he said, "See ya." They're a little too hot.
Sorry, I'm just going to swing up here. Your leader is in very heavy lap traffic, and one of the cars is Chris Eggleston. He's going to slip through the middle. Eggleston down 1 lap in the 22. Our break, but there's the yellow. It flies for the number 27 of Cole Raz and the 82 of Scott. Tommy, your leaders had gapped third place by 8 seconds prior to that. Is that we restart halfway, 75 laps to go.
Not the best restart for Scott, but he might make it up on the outside. Buddy Shepard now up into the second spot. We saw him knife through the field.
Battle for fourth. Rocha on the inside, Sutton on the outside. In that recognizable Brackley scheme. Getting tight behind him.
Oh, contact at the start-finish line. Trouble for Scott Sanchez. He pulls off from the infield on the back straightaway, but that second spot battle got dicey at the start-finish line. Contact made between the 22 and the 82.
So it looks like we're going to just leave Sanchez there for a minute. The 20.
So I didn't see what happened, but Sanchez might either have a mechanical or he did a spin.
There was 65 laps to go for the Spears Southwest Tour. The Salted Metals 150. Cole Raz and Michael Scott back to green. Now remember the last restart, Michael Scott lost positions. He goes wide again.
He got squirrely there at the start-finish line.
And perhaps off the pace for Bruce Yackey. Oh, Bruce Yackey just sent Cassidy Hines into turn 1.
What happened?
I don't know.
Did they get collected? And
I don't know. But I can tell you, from what I saw,
hit the button, thank you.
I hit that button. I'm a button. See, now you want me to hit the button.
I do.
From what I
Here's
saw.
Yackey's front end.
Yeah.
That thing is
I
hurt.
I don't know what happened.
We didn't get the start of it, but you'll see it kind of unfold to the right of the screen right now. And from what you saw out of the corner of your eyes, Jeffrey, was it just like the 3 maybe it came down, or the 12?
The 12
ran
hit
into the 3.
The 12, no, the 12 lined up behind the 3, and you don't need me to tell you how hard the 12 hit that 3 going into turn 1. Restart.
Oh, here we go. That was a heads-up start there from Michael Scott. Now we're drag racing.
This is maybe his best restart we've seen. Not only did he not lose time, he is to the outside for the lead. Cassidy Hines returns to the racetrack in her number 3C. And Kohlraas fires back.
As this race winds down, we're seeing some good battling here.
Yep, Dawson Sutton clears Michael Scott.
Between Zampa and Brian Yackey. Brian's going to get by, and Dylan Zampa's going to put the bumper on. Laying the bumper down.
Zampa and Yackey. But what I was going to say is, with your leader working...
Oh, yeah, there's the bumper. The bumper has been applied, and around goes Dylan. Did you see what happened?
I saw... I think next time I will. Oh, yeah.
Bumpers. Now, they've been playing a little bumper tag.
Can we, Tim, if you don't mind, focusing on those two right now? Just stay on those two. Those two. Right there. Red and black. There you go. They're exchanging words right now.
Are they?
As we go green with 33 laps to go. Sutton has experimented with that outside lane. Oh, contact into turn number 3. Michael Scott in the 82 and Rocha in the 98, and there is left front damage, and the 29's got problems.
Looks like he's got a tire down or suspension. Looks like a flat right front.
A couple of things happen. Oh, and he's going for a spin. Caution is out.
And we're green.
Are we going to go 3 wide? I think we are.
Why not? Oh, the short term 3 wide. Here comes Dawson Sutton to the outside. Can he work some magic around Raz?
That's what you call shutting the door, and Kohlraas had to do it. It's what we're watching right now. Oh, that's a squeeze into turn number 1. Dipster up against the wall, but an incredible save by both those drivers.
Wow.
Taking the air. Still a little bit of lap traffic to deal with. Cassidy Hines in the 3. Raz dips to the inside. Final time down the back straightaway. He's been in control this race the entire night, and that is going to put him right into victory lane. Kohlraas wins it at Colorado National Speedway. The Salted Metals 150.
Kohlraas! Cole, shall we?